Hello and welcome to a brand new video, brand new location, brand new review, and a brand new monster. So this is my new studio and it's gonna take some time. Okay, I need to get a desk, I need to get some things in here. And yes, you can hear the echo, but the videos have to keep moving. I've got some brand new shoes in. I just gotta show you. So you're gonna have to bear with while I get this adjustment underway and while we're moving into this new area. Really cool pair of shoes that you're gonna enjoy watching. So without further ado, let's get straight into the shoes. Yes, sir. We've got the red and black box, which means I got the Air Jordan 1 UNC I got the Air Jordan 1 UNC to Chicago. First time seeing these. Damn. Wablam. Beautiful pair of shoes. Jeez. The leather on these. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lace these up so you can get a good look at them and then we'll jump straight into the review. Laced one up and I'm gonna leave the other ones because fuck it, I can't be bothered to do all of that. But I must say, the leather on these is incredible. Let's see if we can get some wrinkle action on there. Can you see the quality? A lot of people were comparing this leather quality to the shattered backboards, whatever that means to you. This is, of course, a woman's colorway, so if you're after this, I mean, they went up to like a size 14 or something. They went up, like, there was definitely enough sizings. So a lot of men went out to get this pair of shoes, so obviously completely sold out. And I didn't get my size. I was only able to get this size, so 6.5. So if you're looking to pick them up, resale is not actually that bad. It's sitting just above retail. So if you want to pick yourself up a pair, you certainly can. So of course the UNC to Chicago colorway is all about, or giving a good nod to Michael Jordan's college days playing for UNC and his professional career playing at Chicago Bulls. The Bred Air Jordan look at the front and the UNC powder blue at the back, and man, there's something about this blue and red that just makes the sneaker look fantastic. I really like this color. So of course, completely constructed out of tumbled leather, which is really nice feeling, I've got to say. Super nice feeling tumbled leather. These released on February the 13th. They retailed for $170 and 135 pounds. Fit is going to be women's sizing, so generally you go up a size and a half, I think it is, for women's shoes. But the cut, which you'll be happy to know, is exactly the same as a men's Jordan. So you don't have to worry about the cut being different or anything like that. Generally, it's exactly the same. So if you are a guy and you're going for this pair of shoes, then you're fine with this going with a size and a half up. And obviously, if you're a girl going for this shoe, go for your normal woman size that you would go for. This whole weekend has just come to an end. It's Monday here, and obviously this weekend being an all-star weekend, it was just crazy. So we had the Yeezy Quantums, we had Kanye rolling through the streets of Chicago, handing out free Yeezys in these ginormous truck things, and that was obviously really cool. We had quite a few of the releases were locally just to Chicago, which is not great for me. This is a really, really nice looking shoe. A Jordan model was one of my first sneakers when I first got into really enjoying and kind of like the sneaker game. And I was all about high top sneakers. back in my day. That is the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.